Hope you're doing good out there today. Today we're going to be unboxing a fishing reel, and in full disclosure, this was provided to me by the company. So we'll open this up and take a look at this reel coming right up. Alright, well, this fishing reel was provided to me by the company I cannot pronounce, so I'll put it right down here. And this reel comes in at $26, $25.99. They've got, there's 4 different ones. They do sell a lot of fishing equipment, though. I looked up their brand, their company name, and they've got a wide selection of fishing equipment. So let's get into this and check out this reel. Okay, there's the name of the reel, and gear ratio 5.2 to 1, maximum drag 13.2 pounds, reel weight 10.2 ounces, 9 ball bearing, one-way bearing. Okay, line capacity is well, here, I'll zoom that in, and you could pause if you want to read the rest of that. I don't know why people can't go to the modern English values of measurement. Okay, well, there's a screw cap in there. This looks like it's just tear down information. Yeah, tear down information and parts list. Wow, it's definitely a nice looking reel. Feels well constructed. Wow, the drag feels really good on this. Of course, we won't really know until we get it out. But nice adjustments. I don't know if you can hear that or not, but it has like a indent for the different tensions. I can't wait to get this out and try it. Anyway, I'll put a box down here with a lot of information. Well, what it is, it's the ad from the Amazon sales pitch there. It feels like this. Feels like part of this is plastic, this back housing here. It does have the loosening screw here where you can loosen up your reel for when you're going to be packing it away for a while. And let's see. Okay, well, I guess it's not going to go out all the way. Well, usually these things can fold down so you can have the handle facing inward to protect it while you're not using it. I think they lost the whole meaning behind doing that whole setup right there, because there's not even enough cutaway to turn it all the way that way. Well, that sounds stupid. Anyway, this is supposed to be an honest review. So you can't even turn the handle all the way that way. From what I can see, it's pretty well built though. I can't wait to get it out and try it. Anyway, like I said, this was provided to me by the company, and I guess that's an extra screw handle in case you lose this one. It's a little bit smaller too. Huh. Okay. Anyway, thank you for stopping by. I just wanted to show this reel. Like I said, it was provided to me, and I definitely needed one because, hold on. That's the little reel I got on this fishing pole, and I will definitely be exchanging that for this one. Part of being prepared is being able to gather food. Of course, you know, I'll put cards up here and show you some of the other fishing equipment I've acquired. Yo-yo reels, and what was the other one? The Boss fishing kit. Let me know, what do you plan on gathering if, you know, what hits the fan and food is scarce? Do you plan on doing a lot of fishing, hunting, trapping, foraging? What is it that you primarily have on your list for ways to get food, or all the above? Please let me know in the comments down below, and I'm sure other members of the channel would like to know also. Let's check out the bail. Clicks nice. Okay, well, we weren't going fast enough to, let's try that again. Okay, if you click it down in a certain spot, you can't turn the reel, so. Seems very nice. Yeah, you know what hits the fan, I plan on doing a lot of fishing, hunting. Anyway, that's the reel, and I wanted to show this to you. Like I said, this company reached out to me, so and I could definitely use a reel, so I told them I would check it out. I'll probably be doing a better review on this once I can get out to do some fishing and let you know how it works out. Anyway, I just wanted to make a short video and show you this reel. So please, if you haven't subscribed yet, hit that subscribe button down below. Hit that little bell icon, that way you'll be notified next time we upload a video. Please share my videos on your social media, Facebook, Pinterest, whatever it is that you enjoy for your social media. And until next time, stay prepared.